Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some exciting news for all Huawei fans. A new leak about the upcoming Huawei Pura 80 has just appeared online, and it's all about the camera. That's right, Huawei is once again focusing on smartphone photography, and this time, they're doing something very interesting. The leak shows that the Pura 80 will have a dual periscope lens setup. Let's explain what this means in simple terms so everyone can understand. Right now, Huawei hasn't officially launched the Pura 80, but leaks and rumors are everywhere. A new photo was posted online, showing the camera module of the standard Huawei Pura 80. From the image, it looks very similar to the Huawei Pura 70. If you remember the Pura 70, it had a triangular camera layout with 3 large circular lenses, one in each corner of the triangle. There's also an LED flash placed neatly between 2 of the lenses. The Pura 80 seems to follow this same design. Now, here's where it gets exciting. The Pura 80 has a label below the flash that says XMAGE. If you don't know, XMAGE is Huawei's own camera imaging technology. It usually delivers high-quality photos, so people have big expectations for this phone. Let's talk about the lenses one by one. According to this leak, 2 of the camera rings, the main camera and the ultra-wide lens, look very similar to what was on the Pura 70. But the third camera ring is bigger than the other 2 and holds something special. It seems to have 2 periscope lenses inside one ring. That's very unusual, especially for a standard flagship phone and not a Pro or Ultra version. So what's a dual periscope lens setup and why is it exciting? Most smartphones with a periscope lens use it for zooming in on faraway objects while keeping the phone slim. A dual periscope lens setup takes it even further. It means the phone can have 2 different zoom levels, like one for medium zoom and one for super zoom, while still staying thin. This will give users better photo quality when zooming. More zoom options, sharper details in far away, and close-up shots, for example, you could zoom in on a building far away, or take a close-up picture of a flower with clear, sharp details. The leak also listed some of the expected camera specs for the Huawei Pura 80, 50-megapixel main camera with a large 1-inch sensor, great for low-light photos and highly detailed images. 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for wide shots like landscapes or big group pictures. 50-megapixel periscope camera with a 1.3-inch sensor and dual zoom levels. This is the highlight of the setup. A 2-megapixel multispectral sensor. This likely helps improve color accuracy and overall photo clarity. From this, it's clear that Huawei is putting a lot of effort into making the Pura 80 a photography-focused phone. And what's really exciting is that this dual periscope setup might not be limited to just the Pro or Ultra versions. It looks like even the standard Pura 80 model could have this cool tech. Now, when can we expect to see this phone officially? Mark your calendars for June 11th. That's the expected date for Huawei's official announcement of the Pura 80 series. It's just around the corner, and there could be even more surprises waiting. We'll be covering the full launch, so if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for watching. And let us know in the comments, are you excited about the Huawei Pura 80? Do you think the dual periscope lens will make a big difference in real-world photos? See you in the next video.